Let me guess. You finally sit down to watch a movie, or the big game's about to start, and then buffering. That spinning circle of doom shows up and ruins everything. Doesn't matter if you're on a Fire Stick, Android TV, Google TV, Roku, or even the fanciest streaming box around. Buffering hits us all. But here's the good news. In the next 2 minutes, I'm giving you the fastest, no-nonsense fixes that actually work. No fluff, no tech jargon. Let's get right to it. Step 1. Restart your streaming device. Yeah, I know it sounds basic, but as an IT guy, trust me, restarting solves more buffering headaches than anything else. Streaming apps slowly eat up memory in the background. Over time, your device runs out of breathing room and buffering. So restart it properly. On Google TV or Android TV, go to Settings, System, then Restart. On Fire TV, either use Settings, My Fire TV, Restart, or just hold down the Select and Play Pause buttons for 5 seconds. Using an ONN Google TV, hit the mic button and say, Restart. If things are frozen, unplug for 30 seconds, then plug back in. Pro tip, do this once a week. Step 2. Use the fastest internet connection you've got. Wi-Fi is easy, but not always reliable. Ethernet is king if you can swing it. Wired connections are more stable. If you're stuck on Wi-Fi, make sure you're on the 5 GHz band, not 2.4. Move your device closer to your router and avoid crowded networks. Run a speed test. HD needs about 10 megabits per second. 4K wants at least 25. Drop below that, and, yeah, buffering's pretty much a guarantee. Step 3. Close background apps. Most people never do this. Streaming devices keep apps running even when you're not using them, which eats memory and slows things down. Go to Settings, Apps, and force stop the ones you don't need. Step 4. Check your VPN and network setup. VPNs can help or totally ruin your stream if the server's slow or far away. Switch servers, try a different protocol, or turn off the VPN to test. Some ISPs even throttle streaming, so sometimes a well-configured VPN actually helps instead of hurts. And that's it. Follow these steps and say goodbye to the spinning circle for good.